then I realized, no, Hiccup was sticking with what everybody was saying, but he was looking under everything because he realizes what we want isn't to fight dragons perpetually. What we want isn't to kill dragons perpetually. What we want is peace. What we want is trying to figure out how to live as ourselves in the best way possible, live as a people. So he figures out a new way to do that, where instead of trying to just hack down the dragons and just be in this perpetual war, he instead harnesses them